Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create collections on Shopify store. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. In order to create collection, first of all open your Shopify admin panel and click on products and click on collections. And here we can see the list of collections I created on my store. And to create a new collection, click on create collection and enter the collection title here. And you can add description about your collection, and now select the collection type. If you select manual, add products to this collection one by one, or you can select automated. Existing and future products that match the condition you set will automatically be added to this collection. So I'm going to selecting here automated, and condition I'm going to selecting here product tag and is equal to, I'm going to selecting here t-shirt, and you can add another condition from this button, and you can add a collection image by clicking here. This will be a feature image, and now click on save. So here you can see the collection has been successfully created. And now let's see how to add product to collection. So I'm going to my products page and I'm opening this product because I want to add this product to my new collection. So scroll down and you will find this collection option here. So click on this collection box and I'm going to selecting here new summer, clicking on save. So this was the way we can add collections on Shopify store. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.